What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and I got a trade recap for you today. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into it. So just really crappy overall morning in a sense. I took one trade this morning, very small, just 100 shares because it was at market open, something I don't do. But I thought we would have good support here on NCTY, and we know this thing can move from the past. We've seen it, make big moves. I bought at 9:30, right at the bell, 29 seconds, at $3.23. I put out a physical stop order, and then I sold it at $3.87, which was a very nice move overall, especially for 2 minutes. We're talking about, this is 387, 323, 64 cents a share. So easy 60 some odd dollars there after 50 some odd dollars there after commissions. Not bad for a 2-minute little trade there. And then that was it. Why? Because check this out. Top gainer right now is 93% PETZ. Look at this. Straight up, consolidate over VWAP. And you would expect a move up higher, fade. Then we had DSS, which gave one nice pullback, but I'm going to show you why I didn't buy that pullback. Had DSS, make this nice U shape, red to green, then pulled back into support, but this pullback was on kind of large volume when you compare it to this volume on the push up. So that didn't give me confidence in the trade, didn't take it. Then, big mistake, made a nice move. Then it consolidated in here, right above this initial morning high at 170. So that was a nice entry there, but it couldn't break $2. And now we're trading back down here. Really like one and done moves. The moves are pretty decent on these one and dones, but it's just not, it's not feeling right. It's not like it was, a few days ago. You can see some of my past videos where we had some real nice moves and very easy to capitalize. It's extremely choppy action. Yesterday was a chop fest. Just not happy with the small caps currently right now. Sure, there's some bigger moves going on in mid caps, but that's not where I play. Not yet. I will get there eventually, but I need to master small caps first. That's just, the way I'm thinking and doing it right now. How did you do today? Have you had any better luck? I know, if you're a gap and go trader, in the last couple of days, there have been some good opportunities there. That's not really my style. Even today, when I did play at the bell, I bought that quick pullback, and then I sold them that quick pop, which was all found in this singular 3-minute candle. So not much going on, guys. Not for me anyways. I obviously couldn't record that trade. It was just way too fast. Let me know how you're doing. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I do have a video that's going to be dropping tomorrow talking about volume. It's a lesson on volume, real good video. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit the notification bell. That way when that video drops tomorrow, you're notified and you'll be able to watch it. Let me know what you traded today. Hope you're having a great start to your week, and I'll catch you on the next one.